Hello everyone. Let's dive into the EPOMAKER X Aula F75, a 75% layout mechanical keyboard that's been making waves for its impressive feature set and affordable price point. This keyboard aims to deliver a premium typing experience without breaking the bank. Right out of the box, the F75 makes a solid first impression. The construction feels sturdy, and the green colorway is quite striking. The inclusion of a knob is a welcome addition, providing convenient control over volume or other customizable functions. The F75 boasts a gasket-mounted design, which is known for providing a softer, more cushioned typing feel. This, combined with a 5-layer padding, aims to dampen sound and reduce vibrations, resulting in a more comfortable and refined typing experience. Connectivity is versatile, offering Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C options. This ensures compatibility with a wide range of devices and allows for seamless switching between them. The wireless performance is reliable, with no noticeable lag during regular use. The hot-swappable nature of the F75 is a major selling point. This allows users to easily swap out the switches without soldering, making it simple to experiment with different switch types and customize the keyboard to their preferred feel and sound. The version being looked at today comes with Leabog Reaper switches. These switches offer a smooth and tactile typing experience. The RGB lighting on the F75 is vibrant and customizable, with a variety of effects and colors to choose from. The lighting is well implemented and adds a touch of flair to the overall aesthetic. The typing experience on the EPOMAKER X Aula F75 is genuinely impressive, especially considering its price. The gasket mount and 5-layer padding work together to create a comfortable and relatively quiet typing experience. The Leabog Reaper switches provide a satisfying tactile feedback, making typing feel responsive and enjoyable. The knob is a useful addition, and the wireless connectivity options provide flexibility. The hot-swappable design is a major plus for those who enjoy experimenting with different switches. However, there are a few minor drawbacks. The keycaps, while decent, could be of higher quality. Also, while the RGB lighting is good, the software for customization could be more intuitive. Overall, the EPOMAKER X Aula F75 is an excellent value for money. It offers a premium typing experience, versatile connectivity, and a customizable design at an affordable price. If you're looking for a 75% mechanical keyboard that won't break the bank, the F75 is definitely worth considering. It's a solid choice for both gamers and typists alike.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.